Welcome to the channel, 9 Dimes Project. Alright, we've made it to Series 5, Credit Score Mastery. This video is a credit score is a scam, but a good credit score is good to have. Over the next 3 weeks, we're going to show you how to build excellent credit from zero using credit cards without going broke. And you can hack the system. In this video, we're going to show you that credit cards are a scam, but a good credit score is still good to have. All right, so your credit score doesn't measure how good you are with money, how smart you are with money. It's how profitable you are to lenders. Banks want you to carry a balance. That's how they make money. Score measures to the lenders, will you pay them back? Will you pay them interest? It's a game, but you can win it. So there's 5 factors in a credit score. 35% is your payment history. Paying on time is always good. It's the most important, in fact. 30% of your credit score is credit utilization. And also keeping your utilization of your credit cards at 30% or less is also good. 15% is length of credit history. So you start as soon as you can. 10% is new credit. But you shouldn't open 5 credit cards within 1 month. And 10% is a credit mix between credit cards, loans, mortgages, stuff like that. So why you need good credit even if you don't like debt? Good credit will get you lower interest rates, get you approved for apartments more easily. Some employers check your credit. You get better insurance rates. You get great travel rewards. So your credit score, it's a tool. Just use it the right way. Credit score ranges 300 to 579 is poor credit score. You'd be paying high interest with a score like that. 580 to 670 or 669 is fair. You'll get approved for a lot of things, but you're still gonna have higher interest rates. 670 to 739 is good. You good still. 740 to 799 is very good. You'll get good rates. 800 to 850 is excellent. And you're winning at that point. So your goal is to have a 740 or above. So the fastest way to build credit is start early, start as soon as you can. 18 if possible. I don't know about internationally how credit works, but probably have to do a video on that. You can become an authorized user on your parents' credit card, and you can get a secured credit card, and that's kind of like prepaying for your credit. And pay in full every month. Never carry a balance. Keep your utilization rate under 30%. And you just keep going. So now you know more about credit scores and how they work. Next week, I'll show you how to build credit even from $0, even if you're 18 with no credit history. You can grab our free tools, and with the links in the description, got our 3-tool starter pack. We got our wealth builder calculator. We have our 30-day money challenge. And soon, if it's not in there already, we'll have our wealth tracker. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.